This is not an easy video to make. I'm just going to get straight to the point, not dilly-dally around and make this video longer than it should. So, remember how I made a community post talking about my bird Jack Jack around the Daytona 500? He's the yellow canary that I showed in the image, how he wasn't doing well, and stuff like that. Well, even though thankfully he did much better after that, he got back to what he was usually doing before that, which was hopping around, drinking water, eating food. I just found out that today, when I woke up this morning, I was told that he passed away. That really hurts, dude, a lot, because I really loved that bird. I finally got the chance to have a canary after many years of having a zebra finch and society finches, or zebra finches and society finches, and I don't know how old the bird was. We got him, he was like a breeded bird, so I'm not sure how old he was. He could have been like an older bird when we got him, but still, man. The 9 to 10 months I've had this bird for, I'll forever cherish, or I'll forever look back on with a smile. And I'll miss him. I'll see him on the other side. I'll see him on the flip side when it's my turn. God bless that little bird. I'm gonna miss him. I wish I could have been able to hear him sing. He never sang once. Like, he got close to singing, but because he didn't have like another bird to talk to or chat to, he never got the chance. I never got the chance to hear him sing, and I love you, Jack. Jack, I'm gonna miss you, my sweet little angel. Just a tough day, man. I don't know. Like, I haven't cried yet, probably because the adrenaline is rushing in my blood or in my veins. But at some point, when I get on my downtime where I'm just relaxed and not doing anything, I feel like that's eventually going to get to me. So, yeah, first my grandfather, my papa passing away back in January, and now my bird, man. My canary. My sweet little canary. My sweet yellow canary. Now, I don't have any new other birds right now, so kind of feels depressing. I kind of feel depressed because, I love hearing them chirp. I love hearing them sing, and yeah, I don't know what to say else to say. I'm just very emotionally dejected right now. God bless you, Jack Jack. I'll see you on the flip side, my sweet little bird. My beautiful yellow bird. Just devastated right now. I truly loved that bird. I showed him in videos before. I did a couple videos on him that are posted to this channel. I recommend going to check them out if you can. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. God bless you, Jack Jack. I'm gonna miss you so much. Love you, Jack Jack. I'm gonna miss you.